Good morning, guys. How are you today? Today's the day. All the zinnias are coming up. Well, they're up. We're going to move the sprinkler line to the edge of the grass so we can run drip in the flower beds. And we're also going to deepen the flower beds. I'm not sure how much we're going to cut the grass out, but we're going to do all that today. When we're finished, we're going to plant calendula and violas. When I planted these zinnias 6 months ago, I bought 2 flats of them, and I think what aren't the flats, when you get a 6-pack in the flat, they're about 2.5 inch little pots. This is one plant, and I just wanted to show you, because I've said before what a great performer they are. They even are still full of buds. I could have left them, but this is the week that works best for us to try and get this big project done. So I just wanted to show you how profusion zinnias can perform in your flower bed, especially if you live somewhere where it's really hot. Finished moving the sprinkler head. What we did is moved it to the edge of the grass, so that way we could install a 4-port manifold that can accommodate 1/4 inch drip tubing that has emitters every 6 inches. That way the sprinkler head isn't, or the sprinkler, I'm sorry, isn't watering my annuals overhead with overhead water. This is much better. I think we had these, it's been so long, I think we had the sprinkler head right next to the walkway originally because we had grass that went all the way up. We never cut in to make a flower bed. And then when we did, we never moved the sprinkler head. Anyway, I better get these calendula and violas in the ground before the sun starts setting. So I'm gonna get planting. You can tell it's a new day, and that's because late last night as we were finishing up planting, we ran out of violas. So we had to make a mad dash to the nursery and see if they had the same color that I had been using. Luckily, they had a couple more flats left. We used almost 5 flats of flowers altogether. I think I bought 6, and so we have a few leftover calendula and violas, and that's okay because I'll use them in different projects. I didn't want to pull the zinnias out, but the temperatures are starting to drop. And for us here in Central California, because our winters are so mild, We normally average around the 40s during the winter time, a lot of 30s, and a couple of days in the 20s. So I know the zinnias wouldn't have lived through that, and this was the weekend that was best for us to, I think I already said that, to get this done. I still have to run the drip, and I'm so glad that my husband separated the sprinkler from the drip line, and that's going to be a big help going forward with anything that I plant in the flower bed now. I'll make sure that we wait for the sun to set so I can get a better photo of it for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope your fall has gotten off to a really great start. We'll see you soon.